Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How to upload Canva video to X. So there is a step-by-step guide. This is the video which I want to upload on X. So I want to just top right is the share option, just tap, and you will just have to first of all download on your desktop and make sure the video file type is on MP4 video. So make sure we just tap on it to download. So after downloading, I will be just show you how to upload on X when it's complete. So you will just have to save it where you want to and just tap to save. After, just open your X account and sign in. So right now, as you can see, like this is the X account when you just logged in, and there's an option of gallery icon. Just tap on it and select the folder where you will have to download from the Canva and just upload simply as well. Thank you.